Good morning, it's Mrs. Jackson with Teaching Tech Together, and today we're going to talk about how to practice letter names and sounds at home using a tactile way. Definitely you can use flashcards, but we want to provide different methods for students to practice. Today we're using a Ziploc bag filled with a 1/4 cup of hair gel with maybe 2 to 3 drops of food coloring. I also have it against a whiteboard so that when the students write the letters, they can see it. You can use a white piece of paper or even the floor. So today we're going to talk about the letter B. B and D is most often confused with students, and so we're going to have them practice that. And what we would do is have them write and then say it and then say the sound. So here's how it would work with this gel bag. They would start at the top, lying down, around, B, B, and then they would smush it or slide the gel across to kind of erase and do it again. Lying down, across, B, B. Smush it. Lying down, go around, B, B. And that's an easy way to practice letter names and sounds.